Greetings to everyone. I'm Mayusha Mahesh, third year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. I'm going to talk about and show you the beautiful country Italy. Italy is a country located in South Central Europe. It is surrounded by many islands and it shares land borders with France, Austria, Switzerland, and Slovenia. The flag of Italy, often referred to in Italian as Il Tricolore, is the national flag of Italy. It is a tricolor featuring three equally sized vertical pales of green, white, and red. It was adopted on 18 June 1946. Capital of Italy is Rome. The currency of Italy is euro, and the national language spoken in Italy is Italian. These are some special facts about Italy. Italy has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world. The Italians have over 2,500 types of cheese. Italy is the largest wine producer all over the world. These are some famous cities of Italy. Rome. Rome is the capital of Italy and it's the most popular city. It's a famous tourist destination in the country. Venice. It is also known as City of Waters or City of Bridges. It is world's one of the oldest tourist and cultural places. Milan. It is a metropolis city in Italy and it is a global capital for fashion and design. It is also known for its high-end restaurants and shops. Famous tourist destinations in Italy. Venice. The romantic city of Venice is located in the Veneto region of Italy. This ancient and historically important city was originally built on 100 small islands in the Adriatic Sea. Instead of roads, Venice relies on a series of waterways and canals. Florence. Bathed in architectural beauty, artist charm, and centuries of history, Florence is an Italian city of culture. The city is surrounded by natural and man-made beauty at every turn. Rome. Rome is the third most visitor city in Europe and the 14th worldwide. It attracts visitors from all over the world to discover the city's impressive monuments and archaeological sites and its renowned cuisine and its lively atmosphere. Milan. It is a leading financial center and the most prosperous manufacturing and commercial city of Italy. Naples. Naples is famous for its intoxicating mix of old world charm and modern grit. This is one of the oldest cities in Europe with enough art, architecture, and archaeology. These are some famous Italian dishes. Pasta alla carbonara. Carbonara is an Italian pasta dish from Rome made with egg, hard cheese, cured pork, and black pepper. Lasagna. It is an Italian dish made of stacked layers of thin, flat pasta alternating with fillings such as ragu and other vegetables, cheese and seasonings and spices such as garlic, oregano, and basil. Risotto. Risotto is an traditional Italian rice dish made from a short grain rice called arborio rice and cheese, olive oil, meat, and vegetables. It has a creamy consistency. Tiramisu. Tiramisu is a coffee flavored dessert. It is made of ladyfingers dipped in coffee, layered with whipped mixture of eggs, sugar, and mascarpone cheese, flavored with cocoa. Focaccia bread. Focaccia is a flat oven baked Italian bread, similar in style and texture to pizza. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video.